So we've changed our mind. We're going to try to fix this box. Look what we got. Bee feeders and hive beetle traps. Kaylee over there, the farm on Quail Hollow, has suggested that I start feeding my bees right now in this early spring so they can focus on making comb. We're going to do a 1-to-1 ratio, so 1 part sugar to 1 part water.
Mary Carl and I have just arrived and we are going to get supplies needed for our bees. We need sugar to make a 1-to-1 ratio, sugar water to feed the bees, and we also need mineral oil to put in beetle traps to hopefully get rid of any beetles that we may have or in the future. So we're going to go inside and pick up a few items that we need.
And there's a gazillion different type of feeders out here. A gazillion. These just look good to me because they're going to sit on top of the hive. I can just open up the top, pour the feed down in there, and then, you know, close the top back up without having to go through the hive of anything like that. Now they do make the ones that look like chicken waters that go in the entrance, but from what I read is that those are prone to attract robber bees to come in, and that's something you really don't want. These go on the top, so a robber bee would have to go in the bottom and climb its way up. It's a lot harder for a bunch of robber bees to come in and steal this food and cause a big gang fight. And to get some beetle traps. Now we've had beetle traps before, but we bought the disposable ones, and then I saw these are reusable. So we can actually dump the beetles out and put oil in here, and oil goes in here. And the beetles will fall through these little holes in the top of that trap and then get stuck in the oil. And we're gonna suit up, put these bad boys in, and check the hives while we're at it.
On to the next.
This is the swarm we just got. Check it out. It's missing a frame. I'm gonna put a frame in it, and we're gonna put a feeder on it. And it was missing the top cover, so I got a top cover. We're gonna put it on there too.
Wowzers!
Look at that hive that I made.
That's amazing. Hey Carl, check this out.
They done made that in just a week.
It looks like a pancake.
Lord have mercy. I wasn't expecting that.
They've been active, haven't they?
Been very active. I wasn't expecting none of this at all.
I told you I peeked in it yesterday and I knew there were lots of bees. Wow, you should look at this side.
This is the swarm we caught. Look at that. How awesome is that?
Turn it over.
Wow.
Do you need to hold it while you scrape it?
They're not ready.
So I need to go get a mic trap?
Get a mic trap. Y'all probably know the story behind how we got these hives, so we're almost positive they were neglected, or say neglected, haven't been worked or checked in no telling how long. And so we didn't know what kind of shape they were going to be in until now, and honestly I'm quite shocked how well they look.
Missing frame. Missing frame.
We can see right off the bat there's a missing frame. in this box. No frame right here at all. And then how all these gaps are in here. So we've changed our mind. We're going to try to fix this box. See what happens.
Start putting them in the same way they're in?
Yeah.
Just gonna shake them? Did you mean for it to be a medium?
Yeah, because it is a medium.
Is it heavy?
It's pretty heavy. This should be the front. Something like this. So this is the right side. This is the left side.
This is going to start towards me.
Start towards you, like that. And we're trying to put it back exactly. We're trying to put the frames in exactly how they came out the box that we're replacing. Get off my lens. Honey, see the difference?
It's capped?
Yeah, it's capped honey.
Okay. Show it to us.
That's capped honey, and you can see the difference between it and the brood.
What since it's not capped, it will be capped by the time we get ready?
I'm going to tell you, I'm super happy about how the hives looked. I thought they were going to be in way worse shape than what they were. I'm really excited we got this thing fixed, because that was a booger bear, and there were bees all over the mic, so if y'all hear something, that's what it is. They're attracted to black or dark colors. They're just going after my camera. I had that GoPro on my head, and where the band was, they were just all around it. But yeah, everything's done. We inspected, we looked, everything looked good. I mean, I'm not an expert by all means. Like I said, we are rookies. We really don't know what we're doing, but we kind of got an idea. So stoked about this. People were asking in that last video, how do I get all those bees off of me? And the easiest way I know how to do is just walk around, away from the bees, and I just smoke myself. I don't know if that's the proper way of doing it, but it seems to work for me. And shake like a dog.